I probably should have mentioned this earlier. I'm poison.
Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do.
Hey guys, welcome back to 31 Days of Halloween. Today's video is Poison Ivy, so let's jump right in. Starting off with this red paint, I'm going to use this to fill in my brows, and I'm just using an Anastasia Beverly Hills angled brush. Now taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I am taking this red shade and I'm using that to set down my brows. Now taking my Shape Tape, I'm going to conceal my lids and then dive right into this green color here, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Now I'm going to take this darker green and I'm just going to go ahead and start to deepen up my crease. And I'm making sure that I really blend this down into my outer and inner lid. Now I'm taking this lime green shade and I'm just going to pop that right into the center. Now for foundation, I'm going into my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. Just kidding, I made that up. I don't know what it's called, but it's the NARS foundation. And I'm blending that in with my Morphe Beauty Sponge. Now I'm taking my Born This Way concealer and blending that right into my T-zone. Now for my under eyes, I'm just taking those deeper, darker greens and blending that out. Now to contour, I'm taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Kit, and I am going to contour everywhere I normally would, so my cheekbones, forehead, jaw, and my nose. Then also going into the light middle shade, and I'm just cleaning up the contour on my nose and on my cheekbones. For blush, I'm taking this Tarte blush and I am putting that on the apples of my cheeks. And of course, I know you guys are not surprised, I am taking the On the Cusp highlight by ColourPop and Kathleen Lights, and I'm putting that on the high points of my face. I did take my NYX bronzer and kind of bronze up my cheeks even more because I felt like I was looking a little pale. For the lips, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Uncensored Lip Paint and just filling in my lips. Then to finish off, I'm just going to do my lashes off camera and put falsies on, of course. Now for the chest, I'm taking this green paint on an angled paintbrush and I am just mapping out where I'm going to put the leaves. Now, I want to explain what I'm doing here, but it's kind of useless. This was like my rough draft. I don't even know how to explain it, but I basically mapped this out, then put black liner over it and kind of like detailed it, but then my camera shut off and I kept going because I was like in the zone, you know what I'm saying? So I ended up putting black shadow and just doing a bunch of stuff, highlighting with a white liner, and I don't know, just doing a bunch of stuff that I should have actually recorded because it ended up looking pretty different than here, but I'm sorry that I didn't get it on camera. Don't unsubscribe because I'm a terrible photographer, videographer, what, I don't know. I'm terrible at YouTube, maybe, no. I just apologize. But anyways, you guys, that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video down below and also subscribe to my channel because it would just make me so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching and hopefully I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye!